recipe?
We do.
Sweet.
So it's one of our favorite soup recipes, and it's super easy. So you start with a broth. Now Drew and I like to make our own broth. If you're purchasing veggie broth, just again look at the ingredients, because lots of times there's so much salt and there's added things like sugar and preservatives and all kinds of stuff in there that will actually hurt your immune system. So just take a look at those ingredients. To make your own, it's super easy. Just save your veggie scraps, so your potato peels, carrot peels, onion skins, and any other kinds of vegetable scraps you have. Freeze it, and then throw it once you have a nice collection. Throw it in a crock pot with water and let it boil all day, and then strain out those veggie scraps. And then you're left with, don't forget to put the bowl under though, strain out those veggie scraps, and then you're left with a whole nice homemade broth. And then once that you have your broth, you just throw in chopped up onion, garlic, carrots, celery. Just chop those all up, throw them in the pot, and let them cook. I like to also add mushrooms, but I add my mushrooms a little bit later so they don't go mushy.
I thought you were going to say I add mushrooms to everything.
I do.
Because you do.
I do. And then once your veggies are cooked, I add some cooked noodles usually, or rice or quinoa. So you add a carb. But I always cook the carbs separately, because if I cook it in the soup, like with all the veggies in the broth, like the quinoa, for example, just soaks up all the broth. Yeah. And the rice, same thing. So cook your carbs separately, and then dish out your serving size that you want in your bowl.
That's right.
And that's a nice soup.
That's a nice soup.
We also have a really good detox soup that everyone seems to love, which would be great for immune system support as well. And it's all green.
Yeah, so go to trueformlife.com/green detox soup. It's unreal. I don't know why everyone loves it.
I'm always surprised. It was one of those recipes that Drew and I really love, and I was almost a little bit nervous to share it create it, because sometimes green things don't get such a good reputation.
Most times.
And it's all green, like it's broccoli and leeks and everything green. So I was a little nervous to try it, to put it out there, but everybody loves it. Yeah. So if you get a chance, hop on trueformlife.com and check out Green Detox Soup.